We started working with Pinewood in June 2016. We took the decision because of the really positive feedback that we've had from other people using the Pinewood system. We currently turn over around about £50 million a year. We employ about 120 people, sell about 3,000 cars a year and service 60, 70 cars a day. We found using Pinewood DMS, it's so flexible. It's been much easier to use than the CDK system we were on before. We don't need any third-party things like VHCs because it's all built in. It's much more efficient. Using Stock Plus, if you can send out a video, the take-up is we definitely sell more cars by sending videos out. People interact and buy in a lot quicker if they can actually physically see the car in a video and we can talk over the features and benefits. So it's been a real positive. And we've sent numerous videos out to customers. It's a really, really good sales tool, and the salesmen enjoy using it as well, which is just as important. To be honest, I don't know what we did without it before. Previously, when we were with CDK, we'd have a separate credit card system. We've saved on headcount, but we used to have to write out a daily till sheet, and someone was running to and fro trying to put the payments and the transactions together, where it all integrates so easily now. You just take deposits, takes payment, and it goes straight to the stock number. You take payments in the workshop, and it goes straight to that job number. So it's made life a lot easier with PayPlus. I get approached regularly by different dealer management systems trying to sell themselves, but there would absolutely be very, very little or almost no chance of us moving away from Pinewood. It works so well. We've really, really advanced as a company. I'd actually say I've been the managing director since 1991, and I actually say that taking on the Pinewood dealer management system is probably in the top 3 best decisions I've made.